This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a responsive navbar in Webflow. First, drag and drop the navbar component onto your canvas from the Elements panel. Position it at the top of your page hierarchy. Next, customize the default styling, such as background color and padding, to align with your design. Make sure the main container within the navbar is set to a width of 100% to ensure it spans the entire viewport across all devices. This foundational step is crucial for a flexible layout. Now, let's focus on the desktop and tablet views. Arrange your navigation links and logo clearly. Utilize Webflow's powerful Flexbox or grid features to achieve pixel-perfect alignment and spacing. Pay close attention to font sizes and line heights to ensure excellent readability on larger screens. Then, switch to the tablet breakpoint and make any necessary minor adjustments to maintain a clean and functional layout, ensuring a smooth transition between devices. For mobile devices, we'll implement a clean, collapsible menu. First, hide your main navigation links on the mobile breakpoints. Then, activate the navbar's integrated menu button, often called a hamburger icon. Customize its appearance, including colors and size, to fit your design. Style the drop-down menu that appears when the button is clicked, ensuring it's easy to navigate. Finally, add a simple interaction to smoothly open and close this mobile menu, providing a great user experience. The final, crucial step is thorough testing and refinement. Preview your website and meticulously check the navbar's responsiveness across a wide range of device sizes, from large desktops to small smartphones, and in both portrait and landscape orientations. Verify that every link is fully functional and directs users to the correct destination. Look out for any visual glitches, such as text overflow or misaligned elements. Once satisfied, publish your site and enjoy your perfectly responsive navigation bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.